While working on my drawings, I always try to be precise and accurate with what I'm creating and thinking. I use a simple technique of using thousands of straight lines, which blend in the viewer's eyes to create a realistic scene. I created this technique in 2009, which takes between 35 to 300 hours to complete a drawing. I use mechanical pencils and graphite on cotton paper. I use a maul I made from an old T-square and foam board to keep my hand off the drawings to prevent smudging. I begin with a light sketch, drawing large outlines of the scene, concentrating on the negative space in the picture. Then I begin to add small shapes, paying attention to proportions and relationships within the drawing. After that, I add lines to the paper, switching between 3 graphite hardnesses, never cross-hatching during the drawing process. I'm continuously breaking the graphite to keep a sharp point. I think about my signature placement during the process because it's part of the drawing, and I also hide my boys' names in my pictures. When I finish the drawing, I sign it and spray it with a fixative spray for protection.